We also provide rich visualizations on the risk score over time and the sensor values. So you can think of the risk score as the output of the machine learning models. A higher risk means a higher deviation on that particular asset and more potential for it to have some type of issue. So we can see here where this gold diamond is where my alert has been raised after my risk has gone up. The colors and the area underneath the curve here represent the features included in that risk score machine learning model. So as an engineer, I may want to see how my risk has evolved before my alert was raised, and I might want to see the different components of that risk and the features over time. So that's what this chart shows you. And then at the bottom, we have standard time series analysis. So the ability to trend sensors, the ability to look at the sensors versus their predicted values from the machine learning model is all capable here in this chart.